Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Serving a single static page with Apache 2, a comprehensive tutorial. This tutorial guides you through configuring Apache 2 to serve a single static HTML page. We'll cover various aspects, from installation and basic configuration to securing your server and handling potential issues. Part 1, Installation and Basic Setup, Ubuntu/Debian. The instructions below are tailored for Ubuntu/Debian-based systems. Adaptations for other distributions might be necessary. 1. Install Apache 2 *. Open your terminal and use the following command. 2. Verify installation *. Open your web browser and navigate to http://localhost or http://127.0.0.1. You should see the default Apache 2 It Works page. This confirms successful installation. 3. Create your static page *. Create a simple HTML file, example index.html, in the Apache document root directory. The location of this directory varies depending on your system, but it's typically. You can create the file using a text editor like Nano or Vim. Paste the following HTML code into the file. Save and close the file. Part 2, Configuration and Testing. Apache 2's configuration is primarily managed through files in the /etc/apache2 directory. While you can directly edit these files, it's generally recommended to use Apache's configuration tools for better management and to avoid potential issues. Apache typically uses virtual hosts to manage multiple websites or serve different content from the same server. For a single static page, you can configure it within the default virtual host configuration. 1. Optional, disable default site *. If you want to ensure only your static page is served, it's a good practice to disable the default website. This is especially true if you intend to serve multiple websites later. 2. Optional but recommended, create a new virtual host *. While not strictly necessary for a single page, creating a dedicated virtual host is best practice for organization and scalability. Create a new configuration file. Add the following configuration. Explanation ***. Server name, this is the host name or IP address that will be used to access your website. MyStaticPage.local is an example. You'll likely want to replace this. To use a local domain, you'll need to configure your /etc/hosts file accordingly, explained later. *server alias allows access using www.mystaticpage.local as well. *server admin, email address for administrative contacts. *document root, the directory containing your HTML file. *directory block, this section defines access control for the document root. Allow override none prevents overriding configurations with .access files, enhancing security. Require all granted allows all access. *error log and custom log, these lines specify the locations of Apache's log files. 3. Enable the new virtual host *. 4. Testing, using a local domain. To access your site using the host name mystaticpage.local, you need to add an entry to your /etc/hosts file. Add a line like this, replace 127.0.0.1 with your server's IP if necessary. Save the file. Now, open your browser and go to http://mystaticpage.local. You should see your welcome page. 5. Testing, using IP address. Alternatively, you can test by accessing your server's IP address directly. You can find your server's IP using the command IP address show. Find the INET address under the ETH0 or OLAN0 interface, depending on your network connection. Replace server_IP below with your server's IP. Part 3, Security Considerations. Never expose sensitive data directly in your HTML. Avoid including database credentials, API keys, or any other sensitive information in your static HTML files. Keep Apache updated. Regularly update your Apache installation and all related packages to patch security vulnerabilities. Use sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Use HTTPS for production environments. Always use HTTPS to encrypt the communication between the browser and the server. This involves obtaining an SSL/TLS certificate, example from Let's Encrypt. Restrict access. If needed, if you want to limit access to your page, you can use more restrictive configurations within the directory section of your virtual host configuration file, example using require IP 192.168.1.100. However, for a simple static page this is usually unnecessary. Regularly review logs. Monitor the Apache log files, /var/log/apache2/error.log and /var/log/apache2/access.log, to detect any potential security issues or unusual activity. Part 4, Troubleshooting. Page not found. Double check the file path in your document root directive and ensure the index.html file exists in the correct location. Syntax errors. Apache will refuse to start if there are syntax errors in your configuration files. Carefully review your configuration for any typos or missing semicolons. Use sudo apache config test to check for errors before restarting Apache. Permission issues. Ensure the Apache user, typically www.data, has read permissions for your index.html file. Use sudo mod 644/var/www/html/index.html to set appropriate permissions. Firewall issues. Make sure your firewall allows traffic on port 80, HTTP, or 443, HTTPS. This comprehensive tutorial covers setting up Apache to serve a single static page. Remember to always prioritize security and best practices for a stable and secure web server. For more complex scenarios, multiple pages, dynamic content, etc., you'll need to explore more advanced Apache features.